Are you looking for the perfect snow melting mats outdoors that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 best snow melting mats outdoors, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, Toriexon Outdoor Heated Snow Melting Mat. Large non-slip entryway pad. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The Toriexon Outdoor Heated Snow Melting Mat offers a warm, safe, and non-slip surface that helps keep entryways clear during cold, snowy days, as it gently melts ice and reduces the need for constant shoveling, which makes daily routines smoother for families, homeowners, and visitors in both the USA and international regions. It feels simple to place on a porch step, walkway, or patio, and it begins working as soon as it is plugged in, which brings steady comfort during winter weather without extra effort. The textured surface adds firm footing for guests, while the large size creates a wide path that feels welcoming and safe. On the positive side, it saves time, prevents slippery spots, and brings peace of mind when mornings get busy and the ground gets cold and frosty. It also works well for people who want a clean entryway without using salt or harsh products. On the negative side, it needs access to an outdoor power source, and it may raise energy use during long cold periods, which is worth considering for homes with high winter bills. It may also take longer to melt deep layers of snow compared to light frost. The mat feels sturdy, but should still be stored carefully during warmer seasons to extend its life. Overall, it brings helpful warmth, steady grip, and everyday convenience that makes winter steps feel safer and easier, so click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have HETFOENT Heated Snow Melting Mat, long no-slip outdoor winter walkway pad, combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. The HETFOENT Heated Snow Melting Mat offers a long, sturdy, and non-slip walkway pad that helps keep outdoor paths clear during cold winter days, as it gently melts snow and reduces the need for constant shoveling, which makes mornings safer and smoother for families, workers, and guests in both the USA and international settings. It lays flat on sidewalks, porches, and entry areas, and begins warming as soon as it is plugged in, which brings steady comfort without demanding extra effort during harsh weather. The textured surface adds reliable traction for shoes, while the extended length creates a safe guided path that feels welcoming when surfaces turn icy. On the positive side, it saves time, lowers the stress of early morning cleanups, and supports a safer routine for children, elderly family members, and delivery visitors who need firm footing. It also avoids the mess and wear of salt, which many homes prefer to skip. On the negative side, it needs access to a grounded outdoor outlet, and long use during freezing weeks may lead to higher energy costs, which some households will want to consider. It may also take longer to melt thick layers of hardened snow compared to light frost. The mat is durable, but storing it properly during warm months will help extend its life. Overall, it brings helpful warmth, simple setup, and daily convenience that make winter walkways easier to manage, so click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, LulnCush Heated Snow Melting Mat, large non-slip outdoor walkway pad. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The LulnCush Heated Snow Melting Mat brings comfort, safety and peace of mind to winter walkways by offering a large non-slip outdoor pad that melts snow and reduces icy buildup from the moment it is plugged in, which makes daily life easier for homeowners and families in cold climates around the USA and beyond. It lays flat across porch entries, sidewalks and paths to create a clear walkway that feels safe and welcoming for everyone from kids to guests. The generous size and textured surface help prevent slips and falls, which can make a big difference on busy mornings or during snowfall. On the positive side, it saves time and avoids heavy shoveling, it lowers the risk of accidents on slippery surfaces, and it helps keep homes' entryways clean without using salt or chemical ice melts that can damage surfaces over time. On the negative side, it requires access to a grounded outdoor power outlet, which may limit placement, and long use through extended freezing periods may affect electricity bills. It may also take time to melt heavy dense snow rather than light frost, which could require occasional shovel support. The pad feels sturdy, but careful storage during warmer seasons will help preserve its effectiveness. Overall, it provides reliable winter convenience and thoughtful protection for households seeking a safer, simpler way to handle snow and ice. It offers a calm, practical solution for everyday winter care and cold weather readiness, so click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot, at number 2, ANWEOR Outdoor Heated Snow Melting Mat, Long Anti-Slip Winter Walkway Pad. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The ANWEOR Outdoor Heated Snow Melting Mat offers a long anti-slip walkway pad that helps keep entryways, sidewalks and patios clear and safe during cold winter weather, as it melts snow and ice gently whenever it is plugged in, which brings peace of mind to families, homeowners and visitors across the USA and around the world. It spreads flat across walkways to create a firm, steady path that helps prevent slips and falls and keeps doorways accessible even when snow piles up outside. The generous length and textured surface give good grip, which feels reassuring for anyone using it in snowy or icy conditions. On the positive side, it saves time on manual snow removal, reduces the risk of accidents, and avoids the use of salt or harsh chemical melts that may damage surfaces or harm pets and plants. It also gives a dependable heated surface for busy mornings or frequent foot traffic outside. On the negative side, it requires access to a grounded outdoor power source, which may limit where you place it, and running it for long periods during heavy snow seasons could raise electricity costs. It may also struggle to melt very deep or heavy snow without occasional additional shoveling. The pad feels sturdy, but storing it properly in warmer months will help maintain its durability. In short, it offers practical warmth, consistent safety and simple care that can make winter walkways much easier to manage, so click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, HeatTrack Outdoor Heated Mat, Snow and Ice Melting Safety Mat for Walkways. This one redefines what performance really means: unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The HeatTrack Outdoor Heated Mat offers a simple and reliable way to keep walkways clear during winter, as it warms gently to melt snow and ice and create a safer path for family members, guests and delivery workers who need steady footing in cold weather. It lays flat on most outdoor surfaces and delivers steady warmth that reduces the need for constant shoveling, while also helping protect steps and walkways from the wear caused by salt or harsh outdoor chemicals. The mat feels durable and handles regular winter use, which makes it a useful choice for homes and small businesses that experience repeated snowfall. On the positive side, it saves time, improves safety, and offers an easy setup because you can place it down, plug it in, and let it do the work while you stay warm inside. It also works well for busy mornings when you need a clean path fast. On the negative side, it requires a grounded outdoor outlet, and the heating effect may be slower during very heavy snowfall, which means some light shoveling may still be needed to support its performance. It also needs dry storage when winter ends to preserve its lifespan. Even with those points, it remains a convenient and dependable winter tool that can make icy days far less stressful So click the link in the description box to learn more details about this helpful winter safety mat and its features. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.